So I'm here at Bude at the Tourist Information Centre trying to charge, and the charger unit doesn't work. It's saying I've got 24 miles left on the gasometer and 23.6 according to the sat nav.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
We're here and 4 miles left. Right, so let's see if I can get this to work. I need a cable. Right, finally got it working. Finally plugged in. The app wouldn't work, so I had to ring them again. And after 16 minutes on the phone, trying all 3 chargers, they finally got one to work. Wow. Alright, so when I finished charging, it said I had 70 miles. I've literally been sat here and switched the cameras on and it's gone 67. Anyway, I've put it in eco mode. Now the reason I laughed because it said 67 is because I have 67 67.7 miles range left. So I haven't got enough even before I start. So let the fun begin. Okay, oh, 66, excellent. I've barely moved. Let's see how we go. Now what there is on the way home, there is a charger which is 10 miles from home. it's a slow charger, and I don't really want to do it, but it might just give me enough as a boost just for half an hour to get where I want to go, or to get home. What a day. I really wasn't expecting this today. I didn't actually get to the end of the Atlantic Highway. I'm just going to head home. Because the idea was, those charges I stopped at, I was going to stop at anyway, it turned out. So I was going to stop at Bude and do a part charge. Then I was going to go there and do a full charge, carry on to the end of the Atlantic Highway, and then come back and charge a little bit at one of the two again, just to give a bit of a buffer to make life a bit easier. But with all the faffing about at Bude that it took, and then the messing about here, just getting it going, I'm just going home. So one thing we did find out with the Genie chargers is that they struggled sometimes to wake them up via the internet, but you can wake them up locally. So if it's one that uses an RFID chip, a card or a chip or whatever, then it's looking for that more than it's looking for an internet connection, it would appear. Modern technology is brilliant when it works. When it doesn't, it's a pain in the arse. Wondering whether I should go back to the one at Bude and see if I can wake that up with my card, because we didn't try that. And that one. It's looking like, I don't know why, I don't know how I've used so much electricity in just a short time. So I've only got 28 miles range left, I've got 44 left to do. So that was a bit weird. I managed to get that charger working at Bude on the way home. Because what happened at the other charger, she got me to try my contactless bank card, my RFID bank card, on all 3 different chargers to see if one of them would wake up, and one of them did. So she then registered my bank card, or the RFID number on my bank card, as my RFID card for Genie Point. And she says, oh, you can use that now when you want to charge again. So it got me thinking, because she couldn't wake that one up remotely, the one at Bude, maybe it would wake up if I use my RFID card. And it did. So I managed to get a second charge, which will be plenty to get me home.